Hello, my name is Mark Daigle, and this is my AIT381 Advanced Broadband Essentials presentation on Unicast and Multicast communication. This would be as it applies to IP and IPTV. The following slides will illustrate some of the advantages and disadvantages of Unicast communication and multicast communication as it would relate to IPTV, and also I'll explain briefly a few ways each can be used in an IPTV application. This slide illustrates how unicast communication occurs. Each node or computer has its own connection to the server. By each node having its own dedicated connection to the server, it allows two-way communications to occur. This is illustrated by the arrows going in both directions. Examples of unicast communication could include internet radio, Netflix, or YouTube. On this slide, you can see some of the advantages of unicast communications. One of the main advantages of unicast is that it works on the public internet and other IP networks. Independent streams allow two-way communications, which for IPTV would allow playback controls. And finally, content generally can be viewed at any time. This slide lists some of the disadvantages of unicast communication. The server must be able to process all individual requests for service. If it cannot, service will be denied to users. Each user session requires their own bandwidth, so networks can become flooded if large amounts of users are streaming content at the same time. And as the amount of users increase, so will the need for bandwidth and additional servers. Now we have multicast communications. Each node is connected to a server from one transmission source. This allows broadcast communications to occur. This is demonstrated by the single feed from the server to each node. Some examples of multicast could include distance learning and televised meetings to relay company information. Advantages of multicast. It requires less bandwidth because only one stream is needed from the server to transmit to many users. The server requires less processing power because only one stream is transmitted, and it's possible to provide higher quality content than unicast because bandwidth can be utilized more efficiently. Finally, the disadvantages of multicast communication. All users will receive the same content at the same time, and no playback controls are available. It is not available for use on the public internet, and multicast packets are blocked by routers and firewalls due to the protocols used by it, so routers must be multicast enabled from the server to all nodes that wish to receive the content. So there you have it. That's a brief overview of unicast and multicast as it applies to IPTV applications. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.